All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof. This white with gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. You got 35,000 miles in this vehicle. Best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Let's see, it does have a little gouge down here. Oops. Down here looks about 3 to 4 inches. Boom. Your hood looks pretty good. Does have a little chippy there. Your fender looks good. Your front door does have a dent, as you can see right there. It's about 4 inches. Boom. Front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread is over 7/32. This door here, you got some heavy scratching or dents with paint off. Boom, boom, boom. You got some more here. And some more down here. Wow. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. And your tire thread is over 7/32. You got a dent over here as well. Boom. You got power windows, power door locks. Here's your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. This vehicle does come with one key fob combo, and owner's manual still wrapped up in its package. Turn it on here. Guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your instrument cluster here. As you can see, there are no lights on except for tire pressure, and your mileage of 35,433. Very nice. Keeping it moving. Look okay. In the rear here, they have a heavy scratch, another heavy scratch, a dent here, a couple other little dings here. All right, these doors do swing out. Touch that little button. As you can see, there's a dent there, some paint off. Pow. Likewise here, we're gonna need some body work or something here. This is dented. Must have closed it against something that was in here. All right, this door, other than that, this door looks pretty good. This is what your cargo area looks like. Boom, very nice. Wheel wells, got a couple of dings. Another couple of dings over here. All right, here's what one of your other doors looks like. Very nice. Get up on this ladder and see what's going on with this roof. The roof is on fire. All right, and up here we look pretty good. I don't see any dings or dents, really. No, we look pretty good. Nice. All right, coming around. There's quarter here. Looks pretty good. Your rear passenger steel wheel and your tire thread is over 7/32. We do have some scuffing here on these. All right. On this door here, we got some dings that look like from the inside out. See, there's one there, there's one there, one there. Up there, no. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got a dent here on the outside end. Dent here as well. Heavy scratch. Few dents on this side as well. All right. So what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Boom. The door here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Your front fender looks pretty good. Your front driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread is over 7/32. Pretty much completes the tour. The lights are working, car is on, things are good. All right, once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof with 35,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.